Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's quite easy, but you must have a Binance account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, once you're logged in with a verified account, all you need to do is quite simple. Simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're met with the overview that houses all your cryptos and their locations. So now you can simply scroll from your spot or funding, depending on where your XRP is stored. As you can see here, I've got my Ripple on the spot. So simply click on it and click on the withdrawal option. Select send via a crypto network. By doing this, we're going to be filling the missing spaces from our Trust Wallet. And once you've clicked on Trust Wallet, it's going to open up. And now, by using the search icon, which is just here, you could simply search for XRP. Now, by doing this, you're met with the XRP on the Solana, the native XRP, and the BNB Smart Chain. So click on the BNB Smart Chain, that's the BNB pegged XRP. You could then simply click on the receive option and simply copy your address. Now, by simply copying your address, minimize and open up your Binance once more, paste the address there, and as you'd see, the network would be automatically entered. Now, all we have to do is quite simple. Simply hit the withdrawal option, which is just here. Click on the withdrawal option. We're going to be able to withdraw all of our XRP from our Binance over to the Trust Wallet, which you could then confirm by opening up Trust Wallet yourself and reloading. So once you've reloaded, you'd find that the XRP has been deposited here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.